Buzz off. To go away or leave someone alone. Example: he told the kids to buzz off because he was busy working. Bump into. To meet someone unexpectedly. Example: I bumped into my old friend at the mall yesterday. Keep off. To stay away from something. Example: please keep off the grass, it's wet. Wind up. To end up in a particular state or situation. Example: if you keep acting like this, you'll wind up in trouble. Go off. To explode or make a sudden loud noise. Example: the alarm clock went off at 6 a.m., waking everyone up. Cut off. To interrupt or stop something abruptly. Example: she was talking when the phone call cut off. Go off. To leave a place or depart. Example: he went off to find some food. Go off. To become spoiled or rotten food. Example: the milk went off because it wasn't kept in the fridge. Calm down. To relax after being angry or upset. Example: she was upset, but after a few minutes, she calmed down. Cheer up. To become happier. Example: I brought her some flowers to cheer her up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.